Hey, do you want to be a model?
Yeah, I would love to be a model.
Okay, great. Because I thought your hair is perfect and you're so beautiful, you'd be a perfect model. So I invented this product, the CreaClip.
Okay.
It was seen on Shark Tank.
Sharks, are you ready?
We're ready.
Done. Look at this. Beautiful.
Wow.
Beautiful layers. And it creates a beautiful layer shape in the back.
And it cuts your own hair. And today we're going to do content for the first time. When was your last haircut?
Probably like 6 months.
6 months? Oh, you actually cut it pretty often.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I noticed you've got some layers.
I do.
Do you have any split ends?
I probably do at this point.
Yeah. Not too bad. But I think it would be nice if we trim it a little bit. Is it
Yeah.
okay we trim it a little bit?
That would be awesome.
We can just show people how you can use my CreaClip to get rid of split ends.
All right.
Yeah.
Sounds great.
You know what? We can go over here on the rock.
Okay. Awesome.
You're just gonna flip your head over, and then I'm going to gather all your hair. I love the curls. Yeah. So just gather all the hair like this. I'm gonna get you to hold the brush for me. So normally I flip it over, comb it out like this a few times just to get the hair in perfect place. And make sure the level's in the middle. I'm gonna slide down and we're just gonna trim those little ends down here, okay? And you can stand up, okay? And I'll show everybody that we're just gonna trim these little ends here. I love this, you're gonna be my first episode. And that's just, so you can put your head up a little bit, and that's just, you see these are the layers that I just trimmed in the front. Okay, and then I'm gonna show another technique where I'm gonna just trim the length of your hair.
Okay.
So you're just gonna split the hair in the back, in the middle, like this. So if you were actually gonna do this yourself too, you can do this technique too in the mirror.
Yeah, it really doesn't seem super hard.
Some people are scared when everybody cuts too much off, but when you're doing it yourself, you can just take a little bit, see? So this is to trim the front ends. And I'm going to do that. So you can see how uneven it is, and you can see if there's split ends. And I'm cutting in an angle, and that's how you're going to get that soft textured look. And then voila, the split ends are gone.
Yes.
Perfect.
Just like that.
And then I'm going to use a little bit of my coconut prep spray. And that'll make the curls bounce back. And that was just a little quick trim for the split ends.
That smells amazing.
The coconut. That's nice. Cutting the hair with a coconut prep spray while we're underneath the coconut trees.
Perfect.
I love the curls. See, this is what we want. A little bit of a beachy wave, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna just spray a little bit and then scrunch. There you go. This is, we refreshed the look and just got rid of the split ends. I love it. Look, I helped somebody get rid of split ends this morning.
This is perfect. I needed this. I needed a haircut. Thank you.
Oh, you're so pretty and beautiful hair too.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so then you can see in the front how it brought it, all the curls there. Yeah, and then we'll show the back. The back, how it just created a really nice layered oval. No more split ends. Beautiful CreaClip haircut. If you want to see more haircuts, please subscribe and follow me. Aloha.